Well, you know what, peeps? This trail has a name. It's called Snyder's Knob. Let's go. Yeah, I've seen this before, but it's official now. They did clean this up though. They used to have a split right there. Made it so much sketchier. Well, I actually came up to do some sessioning over on Wavelength, but no joke, my head started pounding, so I began pedaling. So I just decided to come and knock that out real quick because that is great. Now I'm gonna boogie over and go down Mineral Way and see how I feel. The bottom of that may push up for Wavelength, but not really thinking so. Headache is pounding right at the occipital bone, peeps. But I'll catch y'all soon. All right, so in that first clip, what y'all saw was basically lower Snyder's Knob. When I got back to Mineral Way, I just decided to push back over here to upper Snyder's Knob. Snyder's Knob is a little trail that's a horseshoe off of Mineral Way, just above Wavelength. And you can also get to it off of Old Farm or Gateway Trail by linking up with Mineral Way and coming across over here. And it'll be the first trail you come to, the upper section in particular. And that's what this is. It's got a couple little features, and it drops, of course, right on the Mineral Way. So let's just do this real quick. Into this chunk garden here. Boom. And down the Mineral Way. If you go to the left there, you go back to Old Farm Gateway. But I'm just gonna drop this down. Head is definitely pounding. Don't really know why. Whew. Hard left there. And it cruises down here. Then you just have to pedal up this little hill here and pass Wavelength and continue on. So you get across the flat spot, drop by Wavelength. Here in just a moment, come by Chimney. Right there. And what? Yeah, my head is roaring right now. Yo, super loose corner right there. Yo! Huh. Thought I'd rail that a little bit better. Did not rail that any the better. My head is not cooperating. I may even... Okay, it didn't drop on the trail. Thought I pulled a massive stick on the trail with me. Well, it's a fun trail. Some good flow. This is where it comes up onto Wavelength crossing in here somewhere. That's janky. That's clean. Ah. That's Bucky. And there's the crossing. Whoops. Oh, way off. Way off. Choking up. That is running so good right now. Doing a little session down here. Yo! Yeah! Nice! Cleared that with no problem. They built that extremely well. Round two. Got it. Wow. And you can send that thing deep. So deep. Woo. Woo. So something to be aware of. This drop. You don't really have to go fast. Try that big one again. Try again. Yo! Ah! Yeah, sent it way too deep on that first one. Great little spot, the session, for real. Oh man, I'm just not getting that berm right. Oh, I had some very good speed though, like coming off that first table, getting that pretty dialed, but man, oh, I'm not gonna blame the headache. I'm just gonna blame the fact I'm terrible at jumping peeps. So there's that. Another go on this silly thing. Round number a lot, many. Yo! Ah! That is actually the best one I've had yet though. But yeah, I'm just gonna call it because my head is just not in it right now with this pinging headache. But I think here in the near future, I'll be able to get this old biggin. Not two shabs, man. Wow, those folk at Eastern Trail Company and Poverty Creek Trail Coalition and all the other folk and volunteers that made this happen, thank you. Thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. This is impressive. Anywho, I'm gonna cruise down the rest of Wavelength and see if I can not die. And what a gorgeous view out there. Well, might as well finish off from here down on Wavelength, since I was kind of right here anyway. It's kind of chunky. Into right where I was sessioning. Yeah, I can't get that berm right. There's something about it. Not expert enough, kind of like that. Into the cannon right after you lose your footing. Oh, whoo, that wasn't that bad actually. Whoa, kind of shocked. All right. Well pleased with the progression I've seen, despite having a massive headache. Oh, I'm so done, peeps. So done. I'm out of here. Go love thy neighbors. Bye.